I'm Dr. Aruna Kalra, Director Obstetrics and Gynae Department at CK Birla Hospital, Gurgaon. So there are many questions related to ultrasound in pregnancy. Let's start with the first trimester. First question is, first trimester ultrasound is mostly done transvaginally, and people think that transvaginal ultrasounds are not safe and they can cause abortion during first trimester. So this is wrong. Ultrasound probe cannot cause abortion. A transvaginal ultrasound is done because it's easier and more accurate to see through transvaginal. It is near to uterus, near to womb to see the baby. Initial ultrasound, once you are 6 weeks or 7 weeks pregnant, per abdomen ultrasound would not give us accurate reading or would not pick up cardiac activity of the baby, or the measurement would not be accurate, and that is why we want to do transvaginal ultrasound. The probe cannot cause abortion. Second myth is, ultrasound, if we are doing that early in pregnancy or very frequently in pregnancy, is harmful. There are radiations in ultrasound. So this is again very incorrect. Ultrasound does not have any radiation. X-rays has radiation, CT scan has radiation, but ultrasounds are the safest modality to diagnose any kind of disease which we can diagnose with ultrasound, whether it's antenatal scan for the baby or gallbladder or appendix or any other disease. Third myth is, if ultrasound we do frequently, it can lead to growth restriction, or it can be very harmful for the baby. We do not ask for repeated ultrasound. Repeated ultrasounds are done only in cases of high-risk pregnancies, when we need to know growth of the baby, when there is some kind of complication, either growth restriction or amniotic fluid is getting decreased, or Doppler parameters are abnormal. Otherwise, there are only 3 ultrasound which are very important. First is level 1 ultrasound, which is done around 11 to 13 weeks. Second would be level 2 ultrasound around 18 to 20th week, and then would be a growth scan. But if you are in high risk pregnancy and we ask for repeated ultrasound, they are not harmful for the baby. They are to know progressive growth of the baby, and there is no harm, no radiation to the baby. Fourth thing would be that ultrasound tells us accurate gestational age, or absolutely everything about the baby. No abnormality can go undetected. So this is not true. Baby is evolving. It's not an adult right now. A disease which is not there at around 12 or 13 weeks, which will be able to see around 20th week, and sometimes which is not, the organ system which has not developed at around 20th week will be seen around 28th week. So how can we diagnose a disease which has not even developed yet, or an organ which is not even seen yet? So baby is evolving, it is forming in the formation state. That is why ultrasound cannot diagnose immediately on that very go that whether baby is having 100% good anatomy or there are some abnormalities. Because of evolving structures, sometimes we have to we are able to diagnose some kidney problems or other problems once baby is grown a little more in later part of gestational age, is one. Second thing is, gestational age can be accurately diagnosed with ultrasound. No, again it is not true. Gestational age, we take an average of many parameters here. We take head parameter, we take abdominal circumference and long bones parameters, and then we take an average gestational age. Again, there are plus minus 1 to 3 weeks accuracy only. So it can be plus 3 weeks or minus 3 weeks. So this is the accuracy of an ultrasound machine, not 100%. You cannot take ultrasound picture from one ultrasonologist to some other sonologist, and that sonologist won't be able to read the picture and tell that whether there was abnormality then, or that ultrasound could diagnose, that sonologist, the first sonologist, could diagnose those abnormalities at that time or not. So ultrasound pictures are static pictures. Nobody can comment on those pictures. mostly ultrasound it depends upon the experience of a person who's doing ultrasound. So a man behind the machine with experience in ultrasound would be able to diagnose better than the machine itself. So somebody is having world class machine but not having experience, has not seen many abnormalities, still would not be able to see. So you should have the vision to diagnose abnormality. That is why we go for second, third opinions in ultrasound. And you should understand that baby is an evolving structure. We cannot diagnose every abnormality 100% with single or multiple ultrasounds sometimes. So all these myths that ultrasounds are harmful is wrong. Ultrasound is there to help us to understand whether baby is growing properly. Sometimes you have this notion that 2D ultrasound or 3D ultrasounds, which one is better, or mostly you like patients feel that 3D is better. 2D is better to calculate, to diagnose many abnormalities. 3D has a better picture of baby, 3D picture of baby, and sometimes cleft lip, cleft palate, or number of fingers can be diagnosed or seen better in 3D picture. But still 2D would be a better picture and we'll be able to measure baby better. So I hope that all the myths related to ultrasound are clear now, and happy pregnancy, and do not worry about ultrasound. It is the safest modality to diagnose your baby's abnormalities or normality. Thank you.